Welcome to the Colorado Broadband Map. This tool is an easy way to view broadband providers at a specific address or general area, whether you're moving to Colorado, looking to switch broadband providers, or just interested in the different broadband speeds and services across the state. Let's take a look at some of the features of the map and learn how to use it. When the map opens, you'll first see a disclaimer pop up, which tells you when the map was last updated. Please note that all speeds and locations of service availability are reported to the state directly from broadband providers. Users of the map are urged to contact providers directly to verify the information displayed on the map. Click OK to begin using the map. Want to quickly see Colorado broadband coverage speeds on the map? Click the layer list icon located at the top right corner of the map. Each layer represents maximum advertised download speeds, grouped into speed tiers, for the type of broadband service indicated. For instance, residential wireline coverage shows residential broadband service availability via wireline connection, or DSL, cable, and fiber. Each color displayed on the map represents a different speed tier, with the darkest blue representing the fastest speeds available and the red representing the slowest speeds. You can turn each layer on and off by clicking the box next to the layer name. Now that we understand how to use the layer list panel to see broadband coverage by speed, we're ready to locate broadband providers. Using the Find Broadband Providers by Address tool, you can search using a specific address or general area. Note that if you accidentally close this box at any time, simply click the icon above to reopen the search tool. Type an address in the address search field. As you begin typing the address, select the correct address from the suggestions that appear below. Once you click the address, the map will automatically take you to the address and display the broadband providers serving the area. Similar to the map layers, the results are displayed based on type of connection: wireline, fixed wireless, and satellite. If a certain type of connection doesn't show up in the results, that means there is no indication that that type of connection is offered at that location. For each provider listed in the search results, you can click on More Info to learn about the type of connections offered, maximum available speeds, and link to their website for additional information. Okay, now to search a more general area rather than a specific address, you can also enter a town, city, county, or zip code in the search field. As well, you can use the slider underneath the search field to view broadband providers within 15 miles of the location you entered. Another option for finding broadband providers is to click the Set Location icon to the right of the search field. Once selected, click anywhere on the map to drop a pin, and the provider results will be given for that location. Alright, we hope you found this information helpful and the map easy to use to locate broadband providers in Colorado. To learn more about this map, internet speeds, and more, click on the Resources panel at the top right. For more information about the Colorado Broadband Office and how the state is helping to improve broadband access in Colorado, visit our website at broadband.co.gov. Thanks for watching.